Hi there, how's it going? This is Izzeddin here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install and log in into your LinkedIn app account in few steps. Welcome back. So first of all, we need to install the application. To do so, just head on to the Play Store. Great. Next we hit the search icon in here and search for LinkedIn. Great. And that's it. So as you can see here, I have already downloaded it, but it needs to be updated. It may come already pre-installed into your phone, so you need to update it. Wait a few seconds until it finishes. Great, so it has finished. So all we need to do now is to hit open. Well done. You can still sign in with your Google account, the account with which you are using the phone. Here we'll opt for another option, which is to use our already used account which we have been using on our old phone. You can still join with an email or use your Google account or Facebook account, but here as we said, I will just agree and continue. Then add your first name, last name, and next you proceed with your email if you want to create a new one. But here we'll be using our old email and will not also use the Google account email. So just hit sign in. When you hit sign in, you will need to enter your email and your password. Here you can choose remember me in order to not to log in from time to time, so we will be by default logged in. So this brings us to the end. For more details, check the links below. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tech reviews, tips and tutorials. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, this is Izzeddin. Stay curious and stay techy. Peace.